Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a complete A to Z guide on how to start a dropshipping business today. If you have ever wanted to run an online business without spending big money or inventory, then today I'm going to show you that dropshipping is one of the easiest ways to get started. I'll be breaking this down step by step from what dropshipping really means to how to find products, set up your store, get customers, and actually start making sales. Stay tuned because I'm going to keep it simple, practical, and beginner friendly. On this channel, I show you practical ways to make money online, build digital skills, and take advantage of opportunity around you. So if that sounds like what you are interested in, then make sure you stay to the end because by the time you finish watching this video, you will know exactly how to start your dropshipping business today. So first of all, what is dropshipping? Yes, let's start with that. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a type of online business where you sell digital product without holding any inventory. And here's how it works. One, a customer buys a product from your online store. Two, you forward the orders to the supplier, then the supplier ship the product directly to the customer. You never touch the product, you never store it in your house. Your main job is simply to manage the store and bring in customers. This is why it's one of the cheapest and lowest risk business to start online in 2025. So you may want to ask, why is dropshipping profitable? Like I said, it's very profitable. Then why is it profitable? Now let me explain it to you. Why it's profitable is that you don't need millions of naira to start. You can sell products to anyone in the world using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or even Jumia and Koga if you want to stay local. And also, people are buying online every single day: clothing, gadgets, beauty products, kitchen tools, and so many more. If you position yourself where you can tap into these huge opportunities. Now, the first thing to do is to choose a niche. If you want to go into dropshipping, you need to choose a niche. Now, how do you choose? Before you start, you have to know what niche is. Yes, what is niche? Niche is simply a simplified category of products. Example: beauty and skincare products, those are niche. Fitness accessory, baby products, tech gadgets, home and kitchen items, those are niche which you can go into. And let me let you know, don't pick a niche just because you like it. Pick a niche where people are actively buying. You can check platforms like AliExpress, Amazon bestseller, or even TikTok trend to see what is in demand. After choosing a niche, the next step is to do a product research to know the kind of product you will sell under that niche. And some of the tools you can use to do research are AliExpress dropshipping centers. That is totally free. TikTok made me buy a trend. You can just search for TikTok for that and you get it. Amazon bestseller is one of the ways. And also Google Trends. You can use it to know products that are really trendy. You can look for products that solve a problem, are unique and not common in your area, and have good profit margin. For example, a neck massager, portable blender, LED lamp, and baby carrier bag. Those are some products you can actually sell. Now, after you have choose a product, it's for you to choose a supplier. Once you have picked a product, you need a reliable supplier. For international dropshipping, you can use AliExpress, CG Dropshipping, or Spocket. For local dropshipping in Nigeria, you can partner with suppliers on JJ, Lagos Island market, or even wholesaler who allow you to resell their product. The key is communication. Ask your supplier, can they ship fast? Do they provide tracking numbers? Can they deliver quality products consistently? Those are some of the questions you need to know. You need to ask them so that you will know if they can actually deliver your goods at the right time. Now, once you have gotten a supplier, now it's time for you to set up your stores. Now, let's talk about where customers will buy from you. You need an online store. And some of the places you can set up your shop are Shopify. It's easier to use, beginner friendly, but you need to pay monthly fee of around $29. Another place is WooCommerce on WordPress. It's cheaper but need more setup. Another place is local. You can use local options like Jumia, Konga, Seller Center if you want to sell only in Nigeria. Your store should have a clean design, clear product image, compiling product description, which you can use ChatGPT to generate, and also simple checkout. Those are what your store should have. And now, how do you market and get customers? Yes, because that is the main deal. Having a store without traffic is useless. You need people to see your product. Some of the best marketing strategy for beginners are: one, social media marketing. Yes, where you use TikTok, Instagram, Reels, and Facebook to showcase your product. Another place is influencers marketing, where you pay small influencers to review or promote your product. Influencer, you can find a lot of influencers on YouTube self. Another thing is Facebook and Instagram ads. Even as little as 5,000 to 10,000 naira, you can run test ads on Facebook and Instagram. Another one is WhatsApp marketing. Yes, that's another place you can share your product catalog in WhatsApp and WhatsApp group. Yes, WhatsApp status and WhatsApp group. One important thing you need to know is that you should start with free organic method like TikTok and Instagram before spending money on ads. Now, once you start getting orders, you need to learn how to handle orders. Yes, once you start getting clients that are buying for you, you need to learn how to handle orders. And here are some of the way that orders work. Yes, your customer place an order to on your store. You send the details to your suppliers, and your suppliers ship directly to your customers, and you keep the profit. Example: if your supplier sells a wristwatch for $20, you can either sell it for $25 or $30. Then you make a profit of up to $5 to $10 every single sales. Now, let me still let you know there are some mistakes that you should not make on dropshipping, and some of the mistakes you should avoid are choosing too many products at once. Focus on 1 to 3 products first. Yes, as a beginner, focus on a little product. Two is not testing your supplier before scaling. Always order a sample for yourself to know how good that supplier is. And another one is ignoring customer service. If your customer is unhappy, your shop will fail quickly. Expect it to get rich overnight. Dropshipping is not a get rich quick. You need to take time in it before you can actually scale up and make money from it. By the way, if today is your first time here, my name is Solo Wise, and on this channel I teach you how to make money online, learn digital skills, and build businesses you can run from the comfort of your home. If you are enjoying this so far, please do me a quick favor: hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell, and share this video with someone who needs this information today. Now let's talk about how much you can earn as a dropshipper. Yes, let's talk about the money. How much can you really make from dropshipping? It depends on your efforts and marketing. With just one winning product, you can make up to 100 to 200 per week, $200 per week. Some people scale to $500 per month once they understand ads and branding. Remember, it's not a get rich quick scheme, but with consistency, you can build a real business from scratch. You know, dropshipping is still all about scaling. Yes, you don't need to remain small. You have to scale on as time goes on. How do you scale? Once you start making sales, build your own brand around that product. Start using custom packaging or logos. Collect customers' emails and phone numbers to remarket your products to them, and also expand into more products in your niche. This is how small dropshipping stores eventually grow into millions dollars in commerce brand. So I also like to let you know that I have a Telegram and WhatsApp channel where I share free resource, updates, and opportunity to make money online. The link are in the description, so make sure you join. So guys, that is the complete A to Z guide on how to start dropshipping today that we just went through. And we talk about one, what dropshipping is; two, why it works; three, we talk about how to choose a niche; we talk about finding product and suppliers; we talk about setting up your store, marketing and getting sales, mistakes to avoid, and how to scale your business. So I would like to ask you this question: do you prefer international dropshipping using platform like Shopify, or do you prefer local dropshipping with Nigeria using suppliers around you? I would like to hear your answer. Drop it in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.